Welcome to this week's Journal of Supply Chain Bulletin. From Japan's strategic EV investments in India to rising freight costs and major investment deals, we have tracked the key developments shaking up global logistics. Whether it's policy move, port expansion, or geopolitical shifts, here are the top 10 headlines you need to know this week. Japan is planning strategic investments in India's electric vehicle and battery sectors. The goal is to counter China's dominant grip on global EV supply chains. India is emerging as a key alternative manufacturing hub. This move could strengthen bilateral economic ties. It's part of Japan's broader Indo-Pacific strategy. Union Minister Shri Shantanu Thakur stressed the importance of last-mile connectivity. He said it plays a pivotal role in reducing India's high logistic cost. Poor last-mile infrastructure hampers freight efficiency. Improved regional access can lower transport time and expenses. Policy reforms are underway to address these bottlenecks. A serious crash occurred at the Port Authority bus terminal in New York City. Over a dozen people were injured in the accident. The accident led to major traffic jams near the Lincoln Tunnel. Emergency services responded swiftly to the scene. Investigations are underway to determine the cause. Indian ports have enforced a ban on cargo from Pakistan. This move has caused a spike in freight charges. Shipping companies report widespread delays in regional trade. Supply chains are adjusting to rerouted logistic networks. The ban has raised concern among exporters and importers. Industry and trade bodies are calling from a dry port in Tiruchi, Tamil Nadu. The region lacks direct access to major ports, slowing logistics. A dry port would improve cargo movement and reduce cost. The idea is gaining support from local stakeholders. It's seen as essential for boosting regional exports. The US released its 36th annual State of Logistics report. It details how companies are navigating rising logistic costs. Global disruption, inflation, and supply chain shifts dominate the findings. Inventory and transportation strategies are being rethought. The report emphasizes agility and resilience in logistic planning. Adani Ports and JSW Infrastructure will invest 18,000 crore in Odisha. New port projects will be developed along the state's coastline. The deals are set to boost cargo capacity in eastern India. Odisha is becoming a logistic hub for mineral exports. The move aligns with India's port-led growth strategy. Indira Gandhi International Airport has unveiled a cargo city blueprint. It aims to modernize and expand the airport's cargo infrastructure. The project will streamline logistics and reduce turnaround time. Dedicated terminal for pharma, perishables, and express cargo are planned. This positions Delhi as a leading air freight hub in South Asia. After two failed attempts over 18 years, Chennai port is trying again. The Outer Harbour project is back on the development agenda. It aims to increase cargo capacity and accommodate large vessels. Land acquisition and environmental clearances are key next steps. If successful, it will transform Chennai's maritime capabilities. Russia no longer has control over Syria's Tartus port. Tartus was Russia's only naval base in the Mediterranean. Its loss marks a significant geopolitical setback for Moscow. Syria may be shifting alliances or renegotiating terms. This change impacts regional maritime and military dynamics. That's a wrap on this week's top logistic and supply chain stories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly insights. Got thoughts or story we should cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed, stay ahead.